Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to your Divine Prayers channel. Let's chant Sanskrit sloka with ease. Sri Bhagavanuvacha Loke Smin Tvivida Nishta Pura Prokta Mayanaga Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam Karma Yogena Yogi Nam श्रीभगवानुवाच लोकेऽस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञानयोगेन साङ्ख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनाम्. Hope you could follow along with me in chanting the sloka. More in queue.